Hey folks, and welcome. What we have today is a 2017 Subaru Forrester. All-wheel drive, white, pearl white exterior paint, black alloy wheels, look to be aftermarket. Nice, thick tires, they look to be pretty new. This car has 124,000 miles. It's going to seat up to 5. You can get the whole family inside. We got a runner right now. Let's see what she looks like underneath. That all traditional Subaru boxer motor. It's great. Nice old tires. Really enjoy those tires. Outside marker flashes on the windows, mirrors actually, I'm sorry. Power windows and locks. Harman radio. Very distinctive leather, in very good shape. No burn holes, no rips, no tears. Like I mentioned, the car is non-smoking, no child seats. We love children, but we just don't like what it leaves behind sometimes. Seats will fold down at a 90-degree angle. This car is in really good shape. Sunroof. Down she goes. So you can check this out online at PA9423.com. That's PerAutoKC.com. If you happen to be in the Kansas City area, you can come on down to 6102 Merriam Drive here in beautiful Merriam, Kansas. Right there, we're in the center of the universe. Come check this thing out.